What we've really done here is extend the life of 18,000 cups from approximately 6 minutes to a little over 6 weeks by building an immersive experience and art installation that we hope encourages everyone to be just a little bit more plastikophobic.
Alright, we're hunting for cups. Don't exactly know where to go, never been here before, so it's sort of a weird experiment right now. So I'm gonna talk to one of the cleaners and we're looking for plastic cups. You guys collect plastic cups? We're looking for like used cups. 我们在找这个已经杯子，脏的杯子。Food Center number 5. Trying to pick up our cups today has been a little bit of a mission. NEA, the National Environment Agency of Singapore, reached out to the hawker centers who have collected with the cleaners who are supposed to be collecting cups for us. And we're just going around, just trying to collect all of this. It's been a little bit harder than anticipated, but I have a good feeling about this one. Yes! We have cups! 我们要去做一个艺术品。谢谢。
Are we saving the cups? Well, not really. Like, eventually they'll end up in the incinerator. But creating an installation based off of these cups might have a ripple effect, and that's the gray zone that I love.
Alright, that's it. The last bag of cups collected. We had 4 cars out collecting cups over 2 days, and now it's all about cleaning. Woo! Here we go, we're moving our clear cups. We have 5,000 of them so far that have been cleaned, and we're making up a little pile over here for them to dry. Our goal today is to try to hit 10,000. Stacks are looking pretty clean and sparkly.
I think my favorite part is just seeing people come together around a cause and work really, really hard. I mean, these projects, they keep us up for weeks before it even starts. And just to see all of the people who, for one reason or another, decide to clean a bunch of dirty cups from hawker centers around Singapore, I mean, that's awesome. Like, in what world does that actually happen?
We just like to build stuff, you know, and our passion, I've been helping Ben with the structural system and basically how this whole thing is gonna look.
We're about to start gluing our cups onto the structure, 4 little points of glue, putting them on, mixing up the sizes, small, large, medium, and stacking them up to look as weird as possible. The hope is to fill our entire surface up with cups so that we can melt them, fuse them together, and make them look as creepy as possible.
Working with Ben is immensely frustrating, but even more gratifying.
We've lined up like 24 volunteers over the course of the next 12, 14 hours, and I don't know if we need them anymore because the entire plan that we had built just sort of fell into the water.
I love to hate Ben. He's my favorite person to love to hate.
The launch date is the same, and I think we have a solution. It's just one of those situations where it's like, creative direction has changed.
Messages get lost in translation when we're talking about impact. When you're trying to motivate people to do something or to not do something.
We need to redesign some stuff. So, slightly disconcerting, mildly stressful, part of the process. I'm gonna walk away now. Woo! It's happening!
With everything back on track, all that was left to do was to pack up all of our dirty plastics and transport them to the Sustainable Singapore Galleries at the Marina Barrage, where our art installation would live for 6 whole weeks. But before wrapping things up, we wanted to make sure that the entire installation was photo ready. Having the chance to play and get creative is probably my favorite part of projects like these. With all of the hard work out of the way, there's suddenly this chance to explore and improvise. The opportunity to create something, a message that has a possibility of lasting forever. And our hope with a piece like this is that more people get the opportunity to come, experience it, and most importantly, share the story with others. Because together, We can spread this feeling of plastikophobia and start by saving our world one cup at a time.
The craziest thing for me is that this was only collected over 1.5 days. Like that just will always blow my mind.
If we could have left these cups dirty, I think it would have had a greater impact, but
We have to give people little rain jackets.
I don't think anyone would come, so
All the satay sauce will be dripping off.
you gotta make compromises, I guess. So what's next?
I don't know. You tell me. What's next?
I don't know, maybe someone over here has a good idea.
What's next?
What should we do next?